Honestly, I never thought I would be making a review video for a face cleanser. I have used tons of face cleansers till date and I have oily combination skin, and my skincare game totally changed when I came across this Innisfree face cleanser. I'm going to share some amazing tips and tricks how to use this and how to get the best out of this cleanser. If you are someone who is looking for a best face cleanser, trust me, this video is going to be very helpful for you. So I personally have oily combination skin, which I have said many times on my channel. If you watch my videos, you would know that. And if you are someone with open pores, you can definitely invest in this face cleanser. This is from the brand Innisfree, and this is how the bottle looks like, the packaging looks like. It is a 150 ml product, which is huge, and this is Innisfree Jeju Volcanic Pore Cleansing Foam X Cleanser, and this is how it looks like, and it comes with this cap packaging. You just have to press it and the product comes out. So this cost around $6.95, but you will easily find this on discount during Nykaa sales. I got this on a 10% off, so it costed me $5.85, I believe. So I'll be putting the prices on the screens for the exact amount. So yeah, this is how it looks like. So let me just give you a little idea about this cleanser. When I was trying to, I was making my mind to purchase this cleanser, I was very confused between the Face Shop face cleanser and this one. I was not really sure which one to invest in because both are expensive, and I was like, I want to invest in something with which I can get results and my money doesn't get wasted, because I've already tried so many cleansers, and because I wear makeup, I need to have clear skin after removing the makeup. I need my skin needs to breathe, right? So if you're someone who does makeup, you would understand what I mean. So yeah, I finally decided to go with this Innisfree cleanser. I saw a lot of YouTube videos sharing the reviews of this cleanser. I saw a lot of reviews on the Nykaa app as well. Reviews were good, the videos were good, and also simultaneously I was looking for the reviews of the Face Shop cleanser. Again, the reviews were good, videos were good. I was super confused which one to go for, but then I decided, let's go with Innisfree. Let's try this brand. I personally feel Innisfree is one such brand which doesn't do a lot of promotions, so that is why I think this brand is a hidden gem, I would say. I am so happy to finally have this product in my hand. I have already used it for last 15 days, and from the first face wash, I could feel the difference in my skin. It clearly takes out all the gunk and the impurities from your skin, from your pores. Your face feels very clean, and the best part is it doesn't feel dry. Like when we use a face wash, what happens is most of the times our face feels very dry, but with this particular cleanser, your face doesn't feel dry. And when I was using it initially, I didn't had to use my moisturizer. I was feeling very nice. My face was hydrated even after using a cleanser. I was amazed, and my face felt very clean and very dirt free, I would say. Now let's see how you have to use it. Let's talk about how the cleanser works best for the best results. So you have to take a very little amount of this cleanser, just a pea-size amount, okay? Warm it between your fingers, and when you start rubbing it on your face, use your fingertips, not your palms. And initially you can use 30 seconds, you can lather it on your face for 30 seconds so that it takes away all the impurities and the gunk from your face. And this is a 60-second rule basically, which was, I came across this face wash 60-second rule in Shweta Vijay's face cleanser video. She is superb, her knowledge is incredible. I love her videos. So when I saw this rule, I personally applied it and I could see the visible difference. So what you have to do is, initially you can start with 30 seconds. Just rub it on your face for 30 seconds. She basically puts a timer. I know it might sound a little tedious or something that you have to put a task on, but you can mindfully also calculate and just rub it. And then you can initially go with 30 seconds and then you can go with 60 seconds as per your choice. Right. So when you will do like this for 60 or 30 seconds, your cleanser will foam up and it will take away all the impurities and the gunks from your face. So basically what you get is a very hydrated and a very clean face, which is super impressive. So I am super happy with my purchase of this Innisfree Jeju Volcanic Pore Cleansing Foam X, and this is going to be my holy grail for now onwards. I'm not going anywhere with any face cleanser. It also comes in a 300 ml tube, which I would be buying next, and it will easily last for I think 6 to 7 months, because this is a huge packaging and I just love it. I would not be talking about the ingredients. You can look it up on the net or on the details of the Nykaa app also, because everyone talks about the ingredients. So the main thing is, this is a wonderful face cleanser, amazing face cleanser to invest in. You will not be regretting if you will be investing in this. And if you are someone with open pores, or you have oily skin, or you have combination skin like me, you can definitely go ahead with this. And even if you have dry skin, I think you can use it, because we all tend to have dirt on our face which is not easily visible, but we need something which cleanses our skin beautifully, right? I'm so happy I finally found my holy grail face cleanser. I just love it. And I'm also trying some more products from Innisfree, which I would be sharing my reviews about in the upcoming videos, if I would like them or not. So yeah, this was all for today's video. Do let me know in the comment section if you find this video helpful or not. Thank you so much for watching, and also please like this video. If you are watching me for the very first time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Just click on the red subscribe button below and the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Stay happy, stay